exploring career paths in baking, such as pastry chef, cake decorator, and bakery owner. In this video, we'll discuss skills, education, responsibilities, and potential earnings. Pastry chefs create a variety of baked goods, needing a strong understanding of baking science and a creative flair. They may earn from $30,000 to $60,000 per year. Cake decorators use artistic skills to create unique designs on cakes and other baked goods. They may earn from $20,000 to $50,000 per year. Bakery owners operate their baking business, specializing in baked goods or offering a range of products. They may earn from $30,000 to $100,000 per year. The baking industry offers a range of career paths for those with a passion for baking and creativity. Whether you are interested in becoming a pastry chef, cake decorator, or bakery owner, there are opportunities to develop your skills and build a rewarding career in this field. If you are someone who is looking for a professional certification course in a bakery, then you can visit IBCA. IBCA is India's #1 baking and culinary art institute, where you can become a professional baker in just 12 to 18 months. Learn advanced baking and pastry skills. 90+ top bakery and pastry products. Taught by top pastry chefs. Join IBCA. Admission is open for July 2023 batch.